Good morning, guys. It's Jacob Folger, Artist Sculptor here, and I'm going to do a little painting on this nice 8x10 stretch canvas. Nice thing about this is you can just put a nail on the wall and hang it right on there. So that's kind of fun. I just want to start by getting a little paint on here. Those kind of different colors. Let's just put a variety of colors on here. A bit of burnt sienna. Maybe light blue. I mean, there's not really any rule necessarily that you gotta follow. The palette knife, and we just basically put it on like butter. Putting butter on bread. It's not hard to do. It takes a little getting used to. Some people say you can't blend with a palette knife, but you absolutely can. Absolutely can, yeah. I think it may be a little bit more light blue up here. You guys can just be creative, you don't have to do it a certain way. Bright aqua green. Let's mix in the colors. Have some fun. Probably have a little bit more bright aqua green there. Some more of that. I'm going to bring in a brayer. This is a brayer. A little rubber roller. Let's kind of go over it like that. Isn't that pretty? Isn't that amazing that you can do that? It's like that so easily. And it's always good to paint the sides, That way, when somebody gets a piece, they can just hang it right up and not have to mess with framing or any of that. Oh, it's pretty though. Oh, Lord have mercy. That is sweet. It's a beautiful thing. And let me tell you, this is not hard to clean. I have a tub of water here. I put the roller in there, and I just leave it like that. And when I'm ready to use it again, I take it out, dry it off, and that's it. Very easy to care for. And it's so pretty. Look at that. My God, where do you get something like that? Isn't that something? Okay, well, let's see. I think I want to kind of make this water here. That way we can have like, this will be the sky and this will be the water. And you take like a little palette knife here. And I got some white paint. Oh, here we are. A little white paint. Yeah, set a little line there. Make a little house, eh? A little rough, but that's alright. I don't mind. It's no, it's a little abstract. A little bit of yellow ochre here. Oh yeah, by the way, I'm painting wet on wet, and it is a beautiful thing. Let me tell you what. It is a beautiful thing. You see these guys that do these tutorials, and they have this beautiful, pristine, white background. I mean, how do they do it? I don't know. I am not that kind of painter. You know, just not. And it's not going to happen with me, guys. I'm sorry. I hope you don't mind my ruddy background. No, I'll black paint here. Just on the edge of my knife, like this. A tree, eh? Just get a little bit black paint and put it in trees. Just doing it with a palette knife, with the edge of the palette knife. It's pretty, you know, it's pretty and it's easy to do, and you shouldn't be afraid of it, man. Don't be afraid. I know some people are, you know. But there's no reason to be, because, I mean, your piece may not look the same as mine, but that doesn't mean you can't do it, you know? Yeah. So I want a reflection down here of the house, and, you know, I'm just keeping it kind of loose because it is a water reflection. They tend to be a little bit weird, you know, sometimes. A little bit of white and outline that roof. But you can see that, you know, it's definitely abstract, or, you know, that water reflection is a little weird sometimes. You can bring down the trees and put some tree like hints in there. You see, it's very loose in this, you know. I'm just, I mean, it's not hard to do this, I'm telling you. This is really easy to do. Now, one thing I want to do is a black paint here, and that's kind of a little dividing line here, just to there's some kind of horizon there. And, you know, I think a moon would be nice. So maybe, you know, I am definitely a night landscape kind of guy. White paint on here. I think a moon right up in here would be nice, see? It takes a little patience to do little round things like that. What you can do is like turn it. You know, turn it to make it a little bit easier on you. Yeah, and that works. Oh, yeah. Okay, and then I'm going to do one down here. Actually, maybe I'll just do something like that, you know. Just really loose, you know. There's no reason to be uptight with it, you know. Absolutely no reason to be uptight with it at all. And you can a little bit of white and just kind of lighten it up on the thing, you know, and just and put in the lines in here in the water, just to, it's like a drum. Boom, boom, boom. Oh, yeah. Okay, take your toothbrush like this, and you make sure it's good and dry. I keep it in water all the time, pretty much, and get some paint on it. And then, you know, dab it off a little bit, kind of bang it off so it doesn't, isn't real heavy. And then just, and put in some stars. Yeah? It's a very pretty, makes it, gives it a nice frosty kind of feeling. Just like that. Really fun, really easy, man. You absolutely can do this. So I really hope you'll give it a shot. Let's get some close-ups of this, eh? That's a pretty piece. That's a pretty piece, eh? Where do you see something like that? Oh, yeah. That's a nice little piece. Okay, well, again, my name is Jacob Folger. I'm an artist sculptor. And here on my channel, I teach how to sculpt clay, and mostly clay, wire sometimes, and other things, make jewelry, and paint. And I try to make it really obtainable for everyone, so everyone should be able to do art. Everyone's a maker. Everyone can create. I'm sure you'll be able to do this. And if you do, send me a picture. My contact information is down below the video in the video description. And you like this kind of content, I've got over 500 tutorials and more coming all the time. So, subscribe and hit that bell icon so you get a notification when I upload. Give the video a like, share it with your friends, and please leave me a comment. Tell me what you think of the video and where you're watching from. Okay, guys, I really appreciate your support. Thank you for watching, and have a great day. Bye-bye.